first things first, make sure you know this binomial expansion. 1 plus x all to the n, where n could be a rational number, is 1 plus nx. And then you just do n minus 1 over 2 factorial x squared. And we keep going the same kind of way, just lower again. Divide now by 3 factorial, and so on. So this is going to be, we actually want to work out what 1 minus 4x to the p is. So we just replace all the n's by p's. And this is actually 1 plus minus 4x. So replace all the x's in this first formula with minus 4x. Two factorial is just 2. And where are we headed with this? We're interested in the coefficient of x squared and the coefficient of x to the 4. Okay, divided by 3 factorial. Sorry, I'm just running out of room here. Okay, there we go. Now we've got these coefficients, so I'm interested in this thing and this here. So okay, minus 4x all squared is you square minus 4 and you square x. The coefficient is just going to be minus 4 all squared. I'm going to write that just as 4 squared because that's the same thing. Because I'm going to get something similar in a bit. I'm not actually going to work out what that is or what that is. They're going to cancel. Four factorial is 4 times 3, 12 times 2, 24. And then this is just going to be 4 to the 4. So the p's cancel, p minus 1's cancel, and the 4 squared partially cancels. Times through by 24. 24 divided by 2 is 12. And then 4 squared is 16. Divide through by 4 again. 3 here, 4 here. Okay, not going to rush this. Finally, we've got a quadratic equation to solve. We can set it equal to 0. Okay. Now we're going to get it's for this to work. Okay, it's going to got a negative here, so we're either going to get minus 1 and minus 21, or minus 3 and minus 7. Obviously, these can be swapped around. So first thing you might try is to do 2p. Quickly notice though that these are all odd, and sorry, that works. It doesn't work if you do 4p. This will work actually. So 7 and 3. This is just a case of trying things out. You might have your own methods for solving quadratic equations like this. So I will, if I put a minus there and a minus there, I will get minus 14p. I'll get minus 6p, which works. So p is equal to 3 over 2 or 7 over 2. Aha, one thing to check. The coefficient of x cubed is positive. So this is going to be p minus 1, p minus 2. Over 3 factorial, but don't forget we are then timesing by minus 4 cubed, which is minus 64. So this is greater than 0. I don't actually need to calculate it. 7 over 2 is 2.5. So this will be positive for p is 7 over 2, which means the coefficient will be negative, which isn't going to work. Let's just check with 3 over 2. With 3 over 2, this is positive, but this would be negative. So coefficient less than 0 for p equals 7 over 2, i.e. reject greater than 0, p equals 3 over 2. Okay, and there we have it. That's our answer.